This AI paints like Van Gogh. Gallery offered $50,000. Shocking. The art world, a centuries-old bastion of human emotion and technical mastery, was recently rocked by a scandal that felt ripped from a sci-fi thriller. A prestigious gallery, known for its discerning eye, was offered a previously unknown Van Gogh. The painting, a swirling, Starry Night-esque landscape brimming with the Dutch master's signature pathos and vibrant, impastellated brushstrokes, was breathtaking. The price? A cool $50,000. The catch? The painting was not a long-lost masterpiece, nor was it the work of a brilliant forger. It was created by an algorithm. This revelation is not merely shocking. It is a seismic event that forces us to reevaluate the very essence of creativity, artistry, and the value we assign to both. The story of how an AI learns to paint like Van Gogh is a fascinating tale of digital alchemy, one performed not with a brush and palette, but with code, data, and a specific type of artificial intelligence. The magic behind this digital Van Gogh is not a single program, but a sophisticated technological process, primarily centered on a branch of AI known as Generative Adversarial Networks, GANs, or, more specifically for style, Neural Style Transfer, NST. To understand how it works, imagine a digital atelier with two artists locked in a perpetual duel. The first artist is the generator. Its canvas is a blank digital noise, a chaotic mess of pixels. Its mission is to create an image. The second artist is the discriminator, or, in NST, a pre-trained convolutional neural network like Midjourney. This entity has been fed a massive diet of authentic Van Gogh paintings. It has studied the thick, textural brushstrokes of a starry night, the melancholic blues of his self-portraits, the vibrant yellows of his sunflowers. It knows Van Gogh's style intimately. The generator produces an image, and the discriminator critiques it. No, it might say, digitally, the brushstrokes are not turbulent enough. The color palette is too muted. This is not a Van Gogh. The generator, taking this criticism, tries again. It adjusts the pixels, making the swirls more pronounced, the colors more vibrant. It presents its second attempt. The discriminator scrutinizes it once more. This adversarial dance continues thousands, even millions of times. With each iteration, the generator becomes more adept at forgery, and the discriminator becomes a more astute critic. Eventually, the generator produces an image so convincing that the discriminator can no longer distinguish it from a genuine Van Gogh. At that moment, the AI has not just copied a style. It has internalized it and learned to generate entirely new compositions that are spiritually and aesthetically aligned with the master's work. So, what are the exact tools an AI artist would use? One does not simply type "paint like Van Gogh" into a computer. The process is more hands-on, requiring a technical setup. A practitioner would typically use a programming language like Python and leverage powerful AI libraries and frameworks. The most common are TensorFlow by Google and PyTorch by Facebook's AI Research Lab. These are the foundational open-source libraries for machine learning. They provide the building blocks for creating and training neural networks. Keras, a high-level API that often runs on top of TensorFlow, making it more accessible for prototyping. Fast.ai, a library built on PyTorch designed to make deep learning more approachable. For the specific task of style transfer, there are both code-heavy and user-friendly options. A developer might write a custom script using the libraries above, implementing a neural style transfer algorithm from research papers. However, the rise of AI art generation platforms has democratized this power. Tools like DeepArt.ai and Dream by Wombo. These websites and apps use NST under the hood, allowing users to upload a photo and a style image, e.g., the Starry Night, to generate a new artwork in minutes. Midjourney and DALL-E 2. These more advanced models use a form of diffusion modeling, a different but equally powerful technique. Here, a user can provide a text prompt like a landscape in the style of Van Gogh with cypress trees and a swirling sky, and the AI will generate a stunningly original image that captures the essence of the request. The artist behind our $50,000 painting likely used a bespoke version of these tools, trained on a highly curated dataset of Van Gogh's entire oeuvre to achieve an unprecedented level of fidelity. The gallery's $50,000 offer, later retracted upon the revelation of the work's digital origins, is the core of the shock. It raises profound questions. If the aesthetic beauty and emotional impact are indistinguishable or even potent enough to fool experts, what gives art its value? Is it the human struggle? The story of the tormented artist channeling his pain onto the canvas? or is it purely the visual object itself? This event is a harbinger of a new artistic renaissance. We are witnessing the birth of a new medium, where the artist is not replaced but augmented. The AI is the brush. The human is the visionary who curates the data, designs the neural architecture, and guides the generative process. The $50,000 price tag, while shocking, was an unconscious validation of this new art form's power. It was a testament to the fact that an algorithm, trained on genius, can produce something that resonates deeply with the human soul. The scandal of the AI Van Gogh is not that a machine can create art, but that its creation was so powerful it temporarily blurred the lines of history, value, and creativity. It forces us to look past the signature in the corner and into the heart of the image itself. The tools, Python, GANs, TensorFlow, are merely the modern-day equivalents of paint and canvas. The shock we feel is the thrilling, disorienting tremor of the future arriving, one breathtaking, algorithmically generated brushstroke at a time. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.